gonna vlog like if it's the year 1990. Baby, check. Hey, good boy. Hey, Papa, good morning. Mwah. Over there, that way they can play with him over there. Here, I'll take. I need my keys.
Look at him. Te amo mucho. Are you lucky? It's gonna be bright. It's gonna be bright.
Oh yeah, look, it's right there. Alright, we're here in our car. We're here in our vintage car. English. Just like meatballs? Like a meatball soup? Like a chicken meatball soup. So for you Hispanics, you guys know what I'm talking about.
The fastest. But I guess you don't have to eat all fast. Because they get their off.
He's like, what is that? Yeah, I guess it's because it's a wide angle lens. Yeah, and I just want to thank everybody that's still watching my videos, because I refresh my YouTube studio every now and then, and people still watch my videos, you know. Not a lot of views, but I mean, hey, my videos are still getting watched, which is what I am aiming for. I'm aiming for people to just watch my videos. So I'm currently at 350 subscribers, which is cool because that means people keep subscribing. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Nothing but good vibes and nothing but just family content, driving content. Just follow me on this journey that we call life. And, you know, hopefully we get to 10,000 subscribers. That's my goal, you know, step by step. So 10,000 subscribers is our current goal right now. You guys want to subscribe before I hit 10,000 subscribers? That way you guys could be like, oh, I was here before 10,000 subscribers. So just subscribe. That's all I can tell you. Papa.
Look at it, foot.
Huh?
He's messing with his toy.
Yeah.
Papa.
I know.
What lotion did you put?
Yours. The sunblock. Sunscreen one.
Okay.
You have a sunscreen one. The one's
Then your hands shouldn't be dry.
But now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I didn't put a lot.
I don't like that I can't see that it turns black.
Oh.
And then I can't see when I'm recording.
Because this car is...
Oh, careful. Careful.
What the heck is this car doing? Because this car doesn't know what he's doing. He's from Nevada. He's from Nevada. And the car behind me is so petty that he just starts to honk. I'm like, boy, just wait. sewer. That's nasty. Smells really bad.
Al 9. Empiezan a dar probaditas de cositas. Empiezan a llegar. Ya, mami, no le pasa nada. Hasta que el estómago ya vaya agarrando.
Ole, le tengo que licuar todo, ¿no?
A los 6 meses.
Porque no le puedo dar así, porque todavía no sabe.
Lo puedes rayar así,
Todo, ajá, todo como puré.
Enséñalo a comer porque no hay algo más de la de Luisa, la fiesta, no hombre, hasta con...
Alright, so now we're on our way home. It's 8:48. We're probably gonna get there around. We are probably gonna get there around like 9:10. So we'll see. And I'm really tired, so let's just drive home, and then so we can rest.
He looks too
I know.
he's big, but he looks like a little. You don't really like. He doesn't do a lot of tummy time. I mean, we would. Technically, we kind of do put him on tummy time because we hold him a lot, like firm with our hand like that.
Yeah.
So technically, he kind of is doing tummy time, but we don't really put him like on the floor. So I'm surprised he's like strong like that, you know?
Yeah. No, yeah, he's pretty strong from his neck.
Oh, viene con sus cosas. I mean, almost, but it was like 2 hours long and something.
Oh my goodness. I don't know why, I'm just tired.
One of those days for you. You have those days. Maybe because you ran.
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
Right.
Oh yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. should be brought back in because the barredora comes tomorrow. It's not like the barredora is just gonna go over them.
Well, is it gonna rain tomorrow?
I don't think so.
Because if it does, the barredora is not.
No, I don't think it's gonna rain. Alright guys, so that's going to be all for this vlog. If you guys enjoyed this style of video, make sure to like and subscribe and click the videos that YouTube is going to recommend. And I'll see you guys on the next one.